Today I will make beautiful and delicious garlic bread. For this bread we need instant dry yeast, butter, salt, all-purpose flour, sugar, egg, and warm milk. First you mix milk, egg, and sugar, and you mix with the whisk. Then you add flour, salt, and instant dry yeast, and you mix with spatula until you get the dough form. Cover the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. Then you add the butter and mix well. Transfer the dough to the silicone mat and knead the dough until smooth and elastic. Make the dough into a ball and then you add about 1 tablespoon olive oil into the bowl and you place your dough into the bowl and drizzle with the oil. Cover the dough and let it rest for 1 hour. Now we make a garlic butter paste. We need butter, oregano, and minced garlic. Mix all the ingredients together and mix well and set aside. After 1 hour, you punch the dough to release the air bubbles. And you transfer the dough on the silicone mat, make into a ball and divide into 9 pieces. Make every dough into a ball. Then cover the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. Now you roll out and flatten all the dough. and you brush with the garlic paste. And cut like it's shown on the video with the knife or pizza cutter. Roll like I show you on the video. Start from the right side. Place them on the prepared baking sheet. Cover with kitchen towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. And then you brush the dough with egg wash. I use 1 egg yolk. I mix with 1 tablespoon milk. Then you sprinkle with sesame seeds. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for 20 until 25 minutes. Smells really good after take out from the oven. I love it. And you see this, really soft, beautiful and delicious. You have to try this, you will like. Thanks for watching. See you for the next recipe. Take care, bye.